Guys, what's up, guys? It's entertainment time, people. We come to talk about Vybz Kartel and him girlfriend because apparently Vybz Kartel plan to drop a brand new tattoo on him and with him girlfriend name. You see me? That is a good look, people. They went to Devon House and enjoyed themselves. The vlog is going on, and a lot of positive things are going on for Vybz Kartel and him girl. So when I want the negative things around here, guys. So when you support Vybz Kartel, yes or no, drop some likes down below on the video, like and share, people, and leave your thought right in the comment section, people. Vybz Kartel free from the 31st of July, and the man are doing thing, people. The man all over the place right about now. He did an interview last night. You know, guys, it was a good interview last night. It was a blasted good. I know say probably 1 and 2 people watch it, but what me see a circulate on social media is that the people them turn the interview into a negative thing, in which what took place is that while the interview was there, seemed as if Kartel girl was probably talking to a man, and Kartel get upset, really upset and think people, and it was not a good look. So the people them turn that into the interview and make the thing look like Kartel is a very abusive person. So guys, what is your thought on that? Because really and truly, people, you know, we Jamaicans, you know, we love turn things into negative things. Whenever something positive, we always turn it into negative things. And trust me, Kartel talked some really nice things last night. Him say my plan for sue the state. He must say, yo, when him there prison and thing, him find God and it changed him to be a different person. Him also said that, you know, in life you cannot waste time, and you know enough thing happen behind enough person, nothing happen to him, should I say, behind prison and thing, and him say, yo, certain thing him can't get back, him kids them become big now, and him daughter graduate, and him say certain things will never come back in him lifetime. So I tell you, them just stay away from a life of crime and just go on, do what them have to do and keep everything positive. You see me? Him also talk about the amount of money when spent on the court case and how the lie them rip him off, and Isaac Buchanan was the realest person around him that help him out and think, people, and that's a good look because Isaac Buchanan really stand firm for him and really helping people. You can see it. Isaac Buchanan did it for him and give him a strength and, you know, get him out of the prison system, guys. Carter said he never have money, he will never come out. He will never come out and think, and that is true because enough get a youth now in a prison, innocent, and them can't come out because they don't have no money and thing. You see me I say? So when you see Carter come out and think, guys, if I appreciate it, because up to now, we don't know for him supper lizard. Up to now, we don't know all people that say him do it and thing. You see me? We don't know for him, so we not gonna be the judge and say him do it and thing. But at any idea still, him get a second chance to prove himself. So whether him yes or no, him get a chance to prove himself, guys, and you can see it say him happy when when him get released. You see him gone meet him kids them, you see me? And him happy. You can see it. Cause my wife quit her job in the people and come to Jamaica to come live with Vybz Kartel in the people. That for show you how the love strong, you know. That for show you how Vybz Kartel very influential to a female of that caliber. We can live for a top job and come live with Vybz Kartel. And guys, we now wish him nothing but well, but good. Because we want to know, say, yo, the man can come out and just make a change in his life, yo. Make a change in his life and do something different. Because, you see, the interview last night, it just exposed certain things about the system and how them blame certain things on Vybz Kartel. So he is very influential and feel music-wise and certain things. Yes, probably 20 or 25% of Vybz Kartel music do affect society, especially the female them and couple of the youth them a beat them face. You see me? But not him responsible for crime and them thing. Him do sing a lot of gun song, I agree with that. But I know for him behavior and thing why certain things happen and in a real life. You see me? So certain things we love blame people for them thing, and then an idea are we the same politician, are we give you them thing, before you can, are we give you them this, are we give them that, are we give them money and give them boy for fight against each other. You see me? So them Vybz Kartel, because know so them thing they about long time from the 60s. So this is no difference. You see me? So a little simple altercation pan the live, the people them turn a negative pan the interview, the people them turn it upside down. The people that make it look as the Vybz Kartel is a bad man. You see me? Because if you there with your woman in an interview and you see a woman talk to a man, you got I forgot to record. You never did your feast, everything at all good. You see me? Because what it was up, what transpired in the people is almost like is what transpired is that Cartel girlfriend was talking to a man about some Wi-Fi. You see me? And then there's another thing burst out. I don't know who the video people. I don't know who the video because that was in the commercial. So the person that will read that video, trust me, it's not safe. Because me not understand how is it people love running negative things. Them not running the positive things where the Cartel say. Everybody, the observer, the star, the gleaner, them are running them negative things. They mess themselves said, boy, that's how the country can better. Because we not running certain positive things the Cartel say. We are running the negative things. See there, the man have him YouTube channel and thing when him and him kiss me baby. Where him and him girlfriend the planet do them thing people. And it's a good look guys. And we have to appreciate the fact say yo, the man deserve a second chance. See me? Him deserve a second chance like anybody else in the society. Because I not him alone the wrongs. That if him do it, I not him alone the wrongs. Other people the wrongs too. And them get forgiveness. So why Cartel can't get forgiveness? Why? See there? Tattoo pa and the girl tattoo Cartel name pana and him do it as well to people. So you know say it's a good look people. You see me? They want to never know to have ice cream and enjoy themselves guys. And this is what we want to see. This is what we want to see. Because when Cartel was in prison, we never talk about him. I know him, oh no, like a free, like a bird. Let's appreciate him. And I know something for when I like Cartel, because when I like his music, I don't like him as a person, or him carry himself, or him music sound. You see me? But an idea is one of us, is a Jamaican, is a black brother. You see me? And him has exposed the truth to how someone wanna like and thing. And how we do is try to bring down people who is very influential in society. I'm a feel that's why them train behind bar now. Because them raise a Cartel is very influential and him help corrupt the system. Yeah, it does. Yeah, him help corrupt the youth them and thing because the youth them listen to him and him not have no sense. So them follow him as a means of lesson. You see me? Rather than them own parents. So the whole bleaching thing with a stem from long time thing, but Cartel just ignite it back in 2011-12. You see me? Him just ignite it over. Till you say most nowadays are bleach. Them not appreciate them skin color. Them not appreciate who they are. Them have to bleach for sure image and thing, for sure beauty. I mean I said to myself that Jesus please, them people not appreciate them look. You see me? And I must say people, we just have to appreciate the fact that yo, the man there, he never for there in the people, because they are prison. Because they are prison and thing. What would I say? What would I do? Laugh? No, in the rotted people. So we have to appreciate the fact that the man there and the man enjoy himself. The man meet him kids, the man, you know, him and Sean Storm and the rest of the man them release and thing people. And the man becomes a Sean Storm is a real youth. Real youth. Imagine your brother in a prison from 2011 until now. And him real to you. You're probably in a different cell, but you know, when you keep it real and come out back, I want to par same way, guys. That is loyalty. That is loyalty. And enough man say them loyal to them friend. Them not loyal to them friend. You see me? So Cartel make you know also again to say him grow him kids them being at the bar and him kids them now find a GUN. Him kids them grow up big and have kids and also him daughter leave Queens with a lot of trophies and thing and she gone to college right now people. I mean I say yo, when you see it? Not because if you involve yourself in a wrong, that means your kids must be the same thing, like oh you done wrongs as well too. You see me? Because some people feel as if when you do wrongs in your past, your kids are coming from the same things. And then I understand so this is not how society set. You see me? So we have to just accept the man who now accept it and think that's your business. You see me? We have to just accept the man back in the society and think. Cause right now you can't see him anywhere at all in Jamaica right now. Right now him just over the place and get used to certain things. You see me? Yeah man, he might get used to certain life again. And just accept the fact that yo, him debut and him happy and him just make himself known and think to the public people. And I appreciate the fact that yo, Cartel can come out and just show with some positive things and show with love. You see me? Because nothing like freedom, nothing like when you come out of prison you can see your family. You see me? You're happy in yourself. So when you see Cartel show certain thing, guys, I appreciate it, man, because we as black people, how we do? We used to certain we know it's the right people. See me? We not ask the right people not influence we, and all we do is go around with negative things. See me? And I'm not saying Cartel is the perfect man for teach you certain things. See me? Because if you want to learn something, you have to read and educate yourself. See me? Because enough you know them rights now, and Cartel make no say him know them rights. See me? Because the prison teach him a lot of things, and when him there prison, him find God, and him change him ways. See me? But not all wrong if Cartel want to get upset pan him woman, man. Because at times, yo, I forget upset by a woman and think a woman look pan we and say, boy, we are suffers. See me? As long as him not abuse or ranting, I'm good with that people. Because in idea, the whole public are watching the people. The whole public are watching Cartel right now. And anything at time do wrong. Remember me tell you, they're gonna run with the people. This is the social media. You can't come up road and expect say you must come do anything. See me? So Carter, you have to be careful, youth. Just keep the flow and just enjoy your time. Enjoy your freedom and about the foolish because the people them are watch you. The people are watching the people them are we carry news from Pink all over this different social media. See me? So guys, best upon yourself, yeah man. Best upon yourself. That's about it. So you can see how Carter is enjoying time while I'm free right about now people. So I'm gonna go and stay tuned, lock in, and thanks for watching the video. See me? Yeah, based upon yourself as usual, and you know we have to give Carter him credit because him credit is due because he have done a lot of good things in Jamaica. Bless up.